tonight. Let's not make it into another fight. Take your pain.
It's Sunday, the 26th of July 2009, and we're just about to embark on an epic pan-European adventure for Faliraki TV. Got the passport. We're here in Bristol, England. It's just gone midnight, and by Tuesday at 7 PM, we've got a ferry here, the other side of Europe, in Athens.